Hmm. Hi guys, how are you guys? How are you guys? How was the last week homework, guys? Did you all understand that? Hey, Harshad, congratulations on your pentathlon. Very nice. Harshad, are you hearing me? Guys, do you wait. I think. Are you able to hear me, guys? Okay. Harshad, are you there? You're able to hear me? Harshad? Hey guys, are you all able to hear me or not?
I can hear you, Miss Priya.
That's better. Thank you, Nidhi. Okay, you're all done with your star, right? You're all done with your star, right, guys? Okay. Okay. So, can I go ahead and ask a few questions based on last week? Last week, some of you did not submit the assignment. I was a little off by that, but I would like to see what is going on there. Okay. Um, one class. So we were working on determinants, right? Oh my gosh. Posted so many assignments. Okay. Oh wow. One second, guys. I just want to check out something. Hold on. Give a minute. Okay, we can go ahead. Okay. Shall I get you a quick test on discriminants and nature of roots? Would you be able to attempt it? Or I can assign it in the weekly assignment as well rather than doing it in this. Okay, let me not do that. 1 second. Who is coming in? Let me go ahead and ask you the questions rather than assigning it. Jay, did you get to do the homework, Jay?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, how about this? 2x1. Okay, how about this? Let me make it a little bigger. Let me ask you a few questions based on last week's assignment. Okay, let me see. Tell me whether you find it easy or hard. Okay, and then slowly we'll be geometry though. Okay, that way you are a little more. Okay. I just want to go ahead here. Okay. You're able to see my screen, right? Convert this function to vertex form and explicitly state the maximum or minimum. Tell me whether it is a maximum or minimum as well. You get it, guys? You can send in chat, Amma. I just want to see where we are on this. Did you get it? Or if you're not getting it as well, you have to let me know that you're not getting it. That's fine, but I would like to know. See, by mistake, some assignment has got posted in Google Classroom. I'm going to delete it off. Okay, go ahead and try this one. Did you get it? You have to complete squares. It's a little complicated. Did you get it, or you want me to help you? Samanvi, did you get it, ma?
I'm still solving it.
Okay. I can work on it on the board. If one of you ask me in chat, I'll work it out on the board as well. Lakshmita, are you able to do or shall I do?
Yeah.
Wow. Three by 4 now. Mm. 1, 2. Is it 13.2? 13.2 J, is that right, you think?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, let's see. Oh wow, Samanvi, good job. Okay, I think some of you got it. Shall I work it out on the board as well? I didn't get from everybody, right? I'm going to work it out on the board. Sorry, guys. I'm going to work it out on the board. So minus 5x square. Since this minus is preceding the coefficient of the leading term, what type of a parabola is this? What type of a parabola is this? Downward facing or upward facing?
Downward.
Yeah, downward facing. So it will have only a maximum point. In this curve, there is only a maximum point. In this curve, there is a minimum point. So I am going to write complete squares, right? Because I want to convert to vertex form means I have to complete squares. How to complete squares? I'll take minus 5 as common, x square plus 3x, okay? And then I have a plus 2. I'm not bothered about it. I'm only bothered about this. So now, how do I do it? B by 2a. What is b by 2 times 1? So 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 square is what I need to add and subtract. So plus 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 plus 2. Now, I really know that I need to combine these three. So what happens here? I will put minus 5. When I combine these three as a square term, I will have x plus 3 by 2 the whole square. However, minus 5 times minus 9 by 4, what happened to that? This will be 45 by 4, right? And that can come out plus 45 by 4 plus 2. Now what happens? Minus 5, x plus 3 by 2 the whole square plus 45 plus 8 is 53 by 4. So this is the vertex form. What is h and k? In this case, what is h and k? A times x minus h the whole square plus k. So there is a minus in here, right? This I can split it out as minus and a minus. So basically h comma k is your vertex. H is minus 1.5 or minus 3 by 2. K is 53 by 4. So the maximum point, this value is 53 by 4 and it is at an x value equal to minus 3 by 2. Any questions, guys?
Wait, Miss Priya, mine's right then, because 13.25 is the decimal form of 53 over 4.
Oh, 53. Okay. Okay. Absolutely, Jay. Take it. Good job. Can I move on? Hey, did they teach completing squares at school, Jay?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Can I move on?
Wait, completing squares and difference of squares the same thing or like something else?
Difference of squares is different.
Oh, then I don't think so. I don't remember.
But very nice to see that you're doing it from here. I'm very so glad. Lakshmita, did you get it?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, Harshat, correct. Good job, Harshat. Very nice on your pentathlon, Harshat.
Thank you.
Does it move on to regional and stuff?
No. Well, if I had a team, then we would go to regional, but I don't have a team.
Oh, I see. So you competed individually, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. How about this? A diver jumps from a springboard. Okay, let's draw it out, guys. I will give you clues, but start doing this. A diver jumps from a springboard. So let's say there is a springboard. Okay, he is standing at a height. He's a diver, right? He jumps. Okay, he has to go like this and fall down, right? Now, this parabola, this is a parabola, right? So that equation is given by minus 16t square plus 16t plus 32. Okay. Now, at what two times is the diver exactly 32 feet above the ground? So there is some point. This is 32 feet. This is h of t. This is the time. The time is on the x-axis. Height is in the y-axis. 32 feet is here. Now, at what two points is the diver at 32 feet? How do we do this? Who can explain? We have to find the x coordinates where the y coordinate equal to 32. What do we do with the equation? Guys, one of you please explain, guys. If you don't know, say that you don't know, then I'll explain as well. Go ahead.
Can you repeat the question?
I'm asking, the question is there, at what two times is the diver exactly 32 feet above the water?
Oh.
Okay, how many of you understood the drawing? Okay. Jay, Harshat, Nidhi, Lakshmita, did you understand the drawing? Dhruv?
I understood the drawing, but I'm confused about how to get the x value.
Wait, I
You
think
set it equal to 32.
Exactly, set it equal to 32. Nice. Set the height value equal to 32 and solve the problem. Tell me the t values. You'll get two t values, right? Those are the two t values at which your y value, y is the h of t value, is going to be 32. Make sense? Okay, try. Diagram is a little incorrect, but it's okay. Go ahead. You know what? The diagram should have been like this. To be perfectly correct, right? I'll draw the diagram perfectly correct. So, see, basically, this diagram should have been drawn like this. And that 32 feet is here. Okay, here I drew it here, right? Actually, the 32 feet is here. Meaning I understand the problem. I know what will the answer be. So, I have corrected the drawing. Okay, so this 1 point. So, 1t will be 0 for you. So, at t equal to 0, it is at 32, and another place it will be at 32. This you need to find. Go ahead and find out. Any word problem given in quadratics you should be able to, ma. Let me know if you need help there. Done. Oh wow, nice. Lakshmita correct. Confident Ma, you're correct. Nidhi correct. Did you get it? Jay, Harshad, bro. Samanvi, did you get it, Ma?
Auntie already said my answer.
Harshad, I didn't see yours, Ma. Wait, Ma.
I
Samanvi
can
correct.
I can
Harshad.
send messages.
Why, Ma? Can I send a hi to you? You can send. Okay, guys. I think you know now. Okay. So let me go ahead with one more and we are done. Let's see. Okay, so you're good with this? Yeah, this one is a difficult one. You want this? Okay, let me give you two questions. Try to solve both. Okay, let me try out this. Okay, how about this question, guys? See whether you're able to do. I'm going to erase this off. I'll do 3 questions, okay, here. It's like a test. We'll see how many you're able to do. 1. And then this one is a little difficult. Every $1 increase. Okay, let's try this one out. Second one is a little difficult, guys. Third one is easy. Second and third are a little difficult. Let's see, guys. Second one is a little difficult. First one, just send me the answer first, okay? Then we'll see. I'll help, guys, with the second one if need be. Oh, that's nice. I wanted to know the answer. First one was, what question did I give you? Our toy rocket is modeled. I don't know what I gave you. Dhruv, the first answer doesn't seem right. Still don't understand the problem. Okay. Still don't understand conversion to intercept form. I will do, no problem. Summon the 30. Oh, that's right. Good job, Summon V. Jay, that's right. Shall I go ahead and do it on the board, guys? Dhruv, that's correct. Second one, that doesn't seem right. Second one is a little weird. Can I do it on the board or do you want me to wait? Guys, you have to tell me. Can I do it on the board? Can I do it on the board, guys? Can I do it on the board or you want to try, guys? You have to let me know. Please speak out. Okay.
Andy, 5 more minutes.
Yeah, sure. See, I like that. I really want to understand. This one, you don't need to convert to intercept form. Harshit, converting to intercept form is hard on you, is it? See, converting to intercept form, you can even use the quadratic formula to find out the x values. Can I go ahead and show you guys?
Andy, I found the equation, but for maximizes revenue, it means profit, right?
Yeah, see, the second equation is a little difficult. Maximizing revenue is the revenue. Revenue means how much money you make by selling the tickets. Okay, X is the number of $1 increases. So, if there are N $1 increase, X, let's say there are X $1 increases. Okay, there are X $1 increases, right? So, what will be the ticket price first of all? There are X $1 increases. So, the ticket price would be 10 plus X times 1. Correct, guys? Does that make sense?
Isn't it negative 10 plus?
Why ma negative 10? We are only talking about the ticket price, right? Ticket price is going to increase from 10. Does that make sense?
Ticket price is gonna increase by 1 and 10 fewer people per $1 ticket increase.
okay, let's first write down x will be equal to number of $1 increases. This is what is given, right? Now there are 200 people. Okay, if I raise it by $1, meaning if I raise it by $1, 10 fewer people are going to go out. So from 200, if I have $1 increase, 10 people are going to go out. If I have $2 increase, then 10 times 2 are going to go out. If I have $3 increase, then 3 times 10 are going to go out. So can I say the number of people decreased is 10 times x? Does that make sense? If x is going to be the number of increases I'm going to make. So this would be the number of people. And what would be the ticket price? I am making to this $10. I'm going to make x number of increases, right? X number of $1 increases, right? For every $1 I raise, if there is $1, let's say x equal to $1 increase, then the ticket price will be 11. Number of people will be 190. If there is a $2 increase, right? What happens? $2 increase means the ticket price will be 12 and there'll be 40 people who get off, right? There'll be 20 people who get off, right? $2 increase. So it will be 180. Correct, guys? Does that make sense? Okay, how many of you did not understand? You have to let me know, guys. It's difficult for me to understand whether you understood or not unless you open out. We are discussing difficult problems and I am absolutely fine to go over it again and again if you didn't understand. So, did you understand? You can shout out as well, right? I'm the only person talking. There is no point. What do you think, guys? Did you get it? Did you get it or not? How about Ray? How about Lakshmita? How about Akshita? Did you get it?
I got it.
Okay. So basically, what I'm saying is, Harshat, now did you understand?
Yeah.
Suppose if I'm increasing the ticket price, 3 increases, what would happen? The price would be 13, but how many people would have gotten off? It would become 170, right? So I'm writing in terms of x. X is the number of increase and I write it in terms of x. So that will be the total money collected. Number of people who come times the ticket price. Suppose if there are 200 people coming, $10 tickets, 2000 I'll collect. That's the revenue. They said if I increase it by $1, number of people who come will be lessened by 190 times 11 will come. If I increase it by $2, only 180 people will come. So this will be the revenue. Instead of writing that as 10, 11 and 12, I am writing it out as 10 plus 1 times the number of increases. You got it? So now my revenue would be written as number of people who come times the number of increases. So I got my equation. Now write the equation in vertex form. Oh my goodness. They're asking in vertex form. First of all, I'll have to convert this equation to standard form. Then go to vertex form. I'm sorry. This is the question, right? Okay. What ticket price maximizes revenue? When will this be maximum? You tell me, when will this be maximum?
It has to do it in standard form though.
Yeah, I'll have to convert it to standard form. Then I'll have to find the vertex. Vertex is your maximum or minimum value, right? So first let me write it in. Let me erase all this off. 200 minus 10x, then 10 plus x. This was my equation in intercept form, right? When I multiply it, right, 2000 plus 200x minus 100x and then what? Minus 10x square. So minus 10x square plus 100x plus 2000. So that will be the revenue. Okay, revenue is your y value. X means the number of increases. So you got this equation. Now you have to find the vertex. Find the vertex. How do you find the vertex from standard form? Vertex x coordinate is minus b by 2a. Find that and then substitute that x value in here and here. You will get the y value. That is the y coordinate of the vertex. So the y coordinate of the vertex is, y coordinate at the vertex is your revenue. So that is the maximum revenue. Okay, what ticket price maximizes revenue means, you have the x value, right? I mean, you will have the x value, right? Once you get the vertex x value, that is the place where you get the number of increases directly. So what ticket price means, add it to 10 and tell me the answer. Can you try that, guys? Can you try that? What ticket price is going? First find out the x value. Vertex is going to be the point of maximum or minimum. If you need help further, you have to let me know. Let me know if you need help. You get it? Arush, we are working on still discriminant and word problems. Let me know if you need help. Guys, are you getting? Lakshmita, did you get what to do?
Yeah.
My yes or no? I'm okay with anything. I'll explain again. Not really or yes?
I understood.
Okay. Akshita, how about you? Did you understand?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay.
Miss Priya, can you check
Yes.
my answers?
Absolutely, Arush. You know what? I have so many answers, Arush. Correct, Arush. 2, the answer is correct. What ticket price is correct? What ticket price is correct? Harshit, what is that? What ticket price means? Each ticket price, right? They're not asking for the revenue, right, Harshit? Ticket price should be $10. How much did they raise? What is the ticket price? To maximize the revenue. You are going to tell me the value x plus 10, right? Harshad, that's not what is asked. Now it's correct. Dhruv, what is that you didn't get, Dhruv? I'm here to explain to you.
I just didn't understand the question.
You just didn't understand the question. Okay. Dhruv, here. See, local theatre seats 200 people. Okay. Tickets are $10 each. So what happens? The revenue is what? Number of people times price of ticket. That's the revenue, right?
Yeah.
They are going to increase the ticket price by $1. Okay, but we don't know for every $1 increase, meaning how many $1 increase can be there, I don't know. So x times 1, the ticket price is going to increase. Why x times 1? Number of increases times $1. Correct? So that will be the ticket price. Now, how will the number of people reduce if they raise the price by x increases, right? How will the number of people increase? 200 minus 10 times the number of increases, correct?
Yeah.
That will be your revenue equation. Now, from this equation, they're asking what ticket price maximizes revenue. When will the revenue be maximum? At the vertex. So, find the x value of the vertex. That is, you get your x value directly there. Then, that x plus 10 is your ticket price. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Nidhi, did you get the answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Akshita, did you get a ma?
I'm still trying to figure it out.
Okay. Those of you who want to go to the third one. If it's difficult, then I'll solve. Done? So here you should have found x value will be equal to 5. So the ticket price is 10 plus 5, 15 maximizes the revenue. Can I move on? A bridge is constructed in the shape of a parabola. The road, okay, a bridge is constructed in the shape of a parabola. Oh, bridge is constructed in the shape of a parabola. Okay. The road horizontally across the bridge, right, is 100 meters long. Oh, wow. This is 100 meters long. And the highest point of the parabolic arch is 25 meter above the center. Write an equation in vertex form modeling the arch, assuming 0, 0 is located on the road directly below the highest point. Oh, wow. This is the origin. They are saying this is the origin. Okay. Now, then that is the axis of symmetry. So, if the entire length is 100, this should be 50, this should be minus 50. Right? And this point is 0, comma. What is this point, guys? This point is origin. This is 25 meters up. This is 50 meters this side. This is 50 meters this side. So this is a minus 50 point on the x-axis. This is 50 point on the x-axis right side. So what will be the vertex here? Who can tell me? Somebody can shout out. What will be the vertex?
0, 25.
0, comma 25. Now they are asking, what are they asking? Write the equation in vertex form. So A times x minus h, 0 the whole square plus 25. Right? Now, this, but we don't know what is the value of A, is it? Okay, so what do we do? Okay, let me put it as y. Do we know any xy value? We do know. Do you see? This is a point on the graph. What is this point? 50, 0. So I can substitute 50 in here, 0 in here. If I substitute A times 50 square plus 25. So what is the A value? A times 2500 will be equal to minus 25. A will be equal to minus 1 by 100. Now I can rewrite the equation of the parabola as to what? Y will be equal to minus 1 by 100 times x square plus 25. This is the equation of the parabola. Who didn't get? What you didn't get? You can tell me, I'll explain. Who didn't get? What you didn't get, if you could tell me, I'll explain. Is it difficult, guys? Yes, no, please tell me something, guys. Guys, did you get it? Did you understand? Nidhi, did you get it, ma?
I did.
Okay, then that's good. Then we'll do one more of this and then we'll move. Okay, how about Let me give you an easier question. Okay, how about this? Oh, this is a good one. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, these are difficult questions that we are trying to solve. It's not the ones that you solved at school, but based on parabolas. Why we are solving all this? It'll be easier for you when you tackle the PSAT soon. Write the equation of a parabola in standard form. So what have they given? See, they have given the vertex value. The minimum value is the y coordinate of the vertex. X coordinate of the vertex is 3. So 3 comma minus 8 is the vertex. So you can clearly substitute that in the vertex form, write it down. But you don't know the a value. If you don't know the a value in the vertex form, we'll have to find it. How to find it? Substitute, there is another xy point, see 0, 10. Substitute x and y and find out the a value. So what is the general form of the vertex form? So y will be equal to a times x minus h the whole square plus k. This is the general vertex form. You have h and k here, right? You don't know a, you'll have to find out a. How will you find out a? That is why they've given the x and y here. Plug that in, plug this in. You'll get the a value. Once you get the a value, the entire equation you can rewrite in vertex form. From the vertex form, convert to standard form. If you have any questions, ask immediately. You don't need to wait. I'll explain. Did you get it, guys? If you're stuck, let me know. I'll help for sure. But if you understand, try by yourself. Correct. 3 correct. So it passes through 0, 10 now. 0 minus 30. 0, 10 now. 9. Okay. 0, if I substitute 0, that doesn't feel right to me. I don't know whether I'm right or not. Let's see. Let's see here. So first, what did I say? The vertex is clearly given h comma k. Is it writing 2 times? Yeah. So h comma k will be equal to 3 comma minus 8. So I can plug that in here. I'm going to plug in this as 3, this as minus 8. So first let me write down 8 times x minus 3 minus 8. Now what do? I don't know a value. Somehow I need to find a value. But the xy, they have one more. So this I'll plug in 0. This I'll plug in 10. 10 will be equal to 8 times minus 3 the whole square minus 8. 18 will be equal to 9a. A will be equal to 2. Any questions, guys? Harshit, how did you get a equal to 10? Harshit, how did you get that?
I did negative 3 squared is 9, 9 minus 8 is 1, and then a is equal to 10.
But it's wrong, right? Did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got the equation in standard form, in vertex form now. Plug this in back. What is the equation in vertex form? Y will be equal to 2 times x minus 3 the whole square minus 8. This is our equation. What are they asking? Equation standard form they want. So 2 times x square plus 9 minus 6x minus 8. You just multiply 2x square plus 18 minus 12x minus 8. 2x square minus 12x plus 10. So that will be equal to y. This is our answer. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, let's do 1 or 2 more problems. Okay, see, being able to do word problems in quadratics is quite an important deal. Okay, so let's see. How about, let's go a little down. Okay, how about this? Okay, how about this? Find the exact y-intercepts. Okay, what have they given? Let's do this. Whatever question they ask, we should be able to interpret and solve. Find the exact y-intercept of the parabola defined by the vertex form equation. So equation has been given in vertex form. They are saying y will be equal to minus 3 times x minus 1 the whole square plus 12. So here, how do you find the exact y-intercept? What will you do to find the y-intercept of any equation, of any function? What will you do, guys, to find the y-intercept? Shout out, guys.
Sub x by 0.
Yep. Put x value equal to 0 to find the y-intercept. To find the x-intercept, put y value equal to 0. Go ahead and do that.
Wait, are we supposed to find y-intercept though?
They're asking you to find the y-intercept. If you want to find the y-intercept, put x equal to 0. If you want to find the x-intercept, put y equal to 0, I said. Does it sound good? Did you get it? What is the y-intercept? I'm thinking you all got it. Okay. Arush correct, ma'am. Harshat correct. Lakshmita correct. Samanvi correct. We'll do one more. We'll do one more of the rectangle thing. What is that rectangle thing? Yeah, we have not done that at all. Good one. See, maximize, minimize. If they ever ask max or min, they are talking about the vertex. That's correct. But I didn't get answers from Nidhi, Dhruv, Akshita, Jay. Those of you who have done it, right, you can go ahead and do this problem. Those of you who have done it, you can go ahead and do this problem. A rectangular garden has a total perimeter of 40 meters. See, if it has a perimeter means 2 lengths and 2 widths will add up to 40 meters. X equal to width means, see here guys, I can give you clues again here. Suppose I'll first define my variables, width equal to x. Then how do you define the perimeter? You know width, 2 width plus 2 lengths will be equal to perimeter. But you know width equal to x, I'll have to substitute that plus 2l will be equal to 40. Now, how do I define width? What is width? I can divide the entire equation by 2. So, x plus l equal to 20. Length I can call it as 20 minus x. You see, length is equal to 20 minus x, width equal to x. Now, I have to determine the area. How do you determine the area? Length times width, right? So, everything should be in terms of x. Width times length. You got the equation. Quadratic equation, you got it. Now, how do you find the maximum area? You got it in intercept form. How do you find the maximum area? For you to find the maximum area, first of all, write it in standard form because you need to find the vertex, right? So this would be minus x square plus 20x. That is your area equation, right? Now, what is the vertex? Determine the dimensions that maximize the enclosed area. So this is your vertex. You have to find the y value of the vertex. That is your maximum area. Y is the area, right? X is your width. So now, what is the width that maximizes the area? How will you find out? What is the width that maximizes the area? So x value of the vertex is minus b divided by 2a, 10. Width has to be 10. If width is 10, what will be the y value of the vertex? Substitute that. That will be here. If you substitute that, minus 100 plus 200. So, the area, the maximum area will be 100 meters. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Did you get it? See, you're just writing a quadratic equation, area as length times width. For you to express it as length times width, you should get everything in terms of x. How do you get it in terms of x? They have given a big secret. Perimeter is 40 means, width is x means, from there you can derive that the length will be 20 minus x. You have the length and width in terms of x nicely given. Now area is length times width. So you get your quadratic equation. But what are they asking? You're going to maximize the enclosed area. Maximum value of y occurs at the vertex of a quadratic equation. So you convert it to standard form and find the x value of the vertex and the y value of the vertex. X value of the vertex gives you the width of the rectangle which has the maximum area. Y value of the vertex gives you the maximum area the rectangle can have, 100 meters square. Any questions? Okay, shall I stop here? For this week, I will get you homework on discriminant and nature of roots and different forms of quadratic equation. If possible, it will be a 20 question homework, but please do it as a test. Okay, I will add it to the Google Classroom. Do it like a test. I will give you 40 minutes to do. Okay, 20 questions. Please do it and come. Make sense? Okay, guys. See you all next week. Okay, next week we'll move on to geometry is my thought. Okay, we'll do some more algebra and move on to geometry. Okay, guys. If you have any questions, stay on.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye.
Miss Priya.
Bye, Ma. Have a nice week ahead, all of you.